install the JLT Oil Separator on my '06 Mustang GT. It's really simple, so let's get started. The first thing I need to do is remove the old PCV line. I'm going to set this down. And to do that, you just remove or push the tines. Maybe this one first. Very easy. And now I'm going to install the JLT Oil Separator. I kind of already test fit this, and my wiring harness is in the way a little bit, so it's going to look cumbersome, but we'll get it in there. That was a little more difficult than I expected, but it does fit in there. I had to unplug this one little coil pack wire just to get the catch can to sit down in there, and then I just plugged it back in. So we're there. When I first got this car, it had 140,000 miles on it, and when I took it down, there was a bunch of oil and junk in here. So I figured, why not go ahead and do this and see what happens. It says to clean about every 10,000 miles, and since this is my track car, it probably won't ever need to get cleaned. But thanks for watching. Bye!